everybody, and welcome to Daddy Daughter Time Cooking. I'm Daughter.
And I'm Daddy.
And today we will be making lactose-free
cheese pizza, 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 pizza!
Okay everybody, here are today's ingredients for our lactose-free cheese pizza. You'll need a tablespoon of sugar, 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 3/4 cups of flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, 1 1/3 cups of warm water, a cup of Monterey Jack cheese, 3/4 of a cup of pizza sauce.
Step 1 for our lactose-free cheese pizza. Add water to your mixing bowl. Add your yeast. And add your sugar. Now we sit back and wait about 5 minutes for the yeast to activate. Step 2 of the process, now that the yeast has been activated, and you can see by looking into the bowl, and it looks kind of foamy and frothy. That way you know the yeast is working. So first, let's go ahead and add in the flour. There we go. Let's get the flour in. Nice job. Now we'll add in the olive oil. And the salt. Step 3 of making the dough for a lactose-free pizza is to attach the dough hook to the mixer and turn the speed to the number 3. We will let this mix until the dough ball forms. Okay, and just like that, the dough is done mixing.
Okay everybody, step 4. We're going to transfer that piece of dough into this bowl.
Alright, ready? Here we go.
Wait! We need to spray the bowl.
Oh, alright, well, let's spread the bowl. I'm just going to play with the dough.
Okay, now put the dough in the bowl.
Put the dough in the bowl?
Yeah.
Dough in the bowl. Fire in the hole. Dough in the bowl.
Okay, now we're going to cover it with plastic wrap.
Plastic wrap. Why are we covering it with plastic wrap?
Because that's how we're going to prove it, and air onto the bowl, onto the dough will affect it when it's proving.
We're going to prove it?
Yeah.
What are we trying to prove? Like mathematics or something?
No, we're proving it so it doubles in size.
Whoa, no way! I should prove my IRAs. Okay, here we go. It's in here, it's covered. Is that the end of this step?
Well, yes, but you need to wait 30 minutes for it to double in size.
It takes less time to get my pizza from the fast food place. This takes a long time. Alright, we'll wait 30 minutes for this to double in size. Here we are. Step 5. Cinque. So, the pizza dough, what do you know? It proved. It worked. Bam! Doubled in size. So, here's what we got to do now. We got to take this pizza dough and form it into a pizza, right?
Well, first we had to grease our pan.
Alright, grease the pan. Now, while Daughter is greasing the pan, you might see that we have a whole bunch of pizza dough. Forgot to let you know in the beginning of this recipe makes enough for 2, yes, 2 delicious pizzas. So, we split the dough in half. Now we're going to take it, form it, psych, not doing that. We are, though, going to go ahead and put it on there. Daughter, would you go ahead and start mushing it out and making us a pizza? Is there a pizza yet?
No.
Oh.
It's not even close to a pizza yet.
How about now?
No.
Now?
No. You're so impatient.
Pizza. Pizza.
The pizza's not ready yet.
Outstanding. Look at that. It's a circle. Alright, now can I eat it?
No, it's not even cooked.
So what do we have to do?
Now, we don't want our pizza to be puffy and big, so we poke it with a fork to let air bubbles out.
Oh, okay.
You go round and round and round, poking the pizza dough.
Alright, all done. Get ready for the next step. And here we are at step 6. Daughter has already poked holes in the dough, which while it cooks will stop it from forming too many air pockets and air bubbles. This dough is going to go in the oven for 8 minutes. The oven's been preheated to 450 degrees. Now you might be asking yourself, where's all the stuff? Well, here at Daddy-Daughter Time Cooking, we cook the dough first for 8 minutes, then take it out and add the ingredients, and then cook it some more. So if you're ready with me, let's put it in the 450 degree oven for 8 minutes, and then we add the goodness to it. It's been about 8 minutes, everybody. We are now going to check on the pizza crust and pizza dough. Here we are. It's starting to brown. It's starting to rise. It's ready for some ingredients. Step 7. We're putting all the yummy goodness onto the pizza dough that's been cooking for 8 minutes in there. Now, Daughter is going to spread stuff around. She's going to spread the sauce on, and then she's going to add the cheese. Well, you might be wondering, but you said this was a lactose-free pizza. How can you be putting cheese on a lactose-free pizza? Aha! It's Monterey Jack. Monterey Jack is an aged cheese, and therefore lactose-free. And if you want to be really crazy with your pizza, you could do a cheddar cheese pizza. You could do a sharp cheddar cheese, mild cheddar, also lactose-free. So Daughter's got the pizza sauce on. She's going to sprinkle the cup of cheese all around. And then when she's done with that, we're going to put the pizza back in the oven for 8 minutes. It's been 8 minutes, everybody. Let's take the pizza out, and it should look something like that. Lactose-free cheese pizza. Well, we did it, everybody. High five! We made lactose-free cheese pizza. Earlier, when we made this, the recipe was enough for 2 pizzas. However, we only made 1 pizza. Here's what we're doing. The other half of the pizza dough, we're saving for our next recipe. Our next recipe, which is for breakfast, or really any time you want to have it, but makes a great breakfast the day after pizza. The recipe is going to be for
Lactose-free cinnamon rolls!
pizza and cinnamon rolls. It's beautiful. Well, I'm ready to go ahead and dig in. Are you ready?
Wait! We need our taste tester.
Oh! Taste tester!
Hello, taste tester.
Hello, taste tester. How are you doing?
Good.
Good? Wow, taste tester.
I'm daughter.
And who are you?
Son.
Oh, hi, son. Are you ready, son, our taste tester, to do your job?
Yes.
Then if you would, please taste away.
Mmm.
Our taste tester approves. Daughter, would you like a slice?
Yes, please.
I know I would. Take your slice. Let's go ahead and try it.
Mmm.
Hot darn. Lactose-free cheese pizza. I love it. Alright. So we know. I'm going to keep eating. You guys don't have to. I'm going to keep eating. Our next episode is going to have lactose-free cinnamon rolls using the other half of the dough recipe, or leftover dough. If you would, do us a favor. Like, subscribe at the bottom. That way I don't have to send everybody notifications that another video came out. But until that time, hey guys, what do we do around here?
We dance in the kitchen.
We dance in the kitchen around here, everybody. See you next time.